everyone, and welcome to the June 2026 Hoop Studio unboxing. I am Jen from Me Time, and I'm so excited that you're joining me today. Summer is here, and I have two really fun projects for you. We are calling this month the Greenhouse Minis because we have this darling greenhouse mini wall hanging and this very beautiful, charming functional plant mat. So let me get into it and tell you a little bit about this. This little greenhouse scene is just fresh, that we have colors that are just fresh and soft and perfect for summer. It's just a fun little wall hanging that's welcoming and just, it's gonna just add a lot to your decor, your summer decor. Along with this wall hanging, you're going to get a wall hanging, a hanger to hang it on, and it has some loops in the back so that you can just hang that hanger on there. I want to show you really quickly how to use it so you don't get confused. So all you have to do is pull down a little bit and it just pops right out like that, and it comes apart. And so you'll take the back of your mini quilt and you'll just thread it right through the loops like so, and then you just attach it the same way that you took it apart. You put it on one side, pull it down, and voila, it pops back in and you're ready to hang it. We have this really fun plant mat. Again, we're using the similar colors to the wall hanging so that they kind of coordinate and match. And I want to show you this scalloped lace here. This is all done in your machine. It's stitching that you'll do in your machine. And I just love the extra details that it brings to this plant mat. And of course we have this fun, the different words that go along with plants and growing. We have flourish and grow and bloom, and it's just beautifully done, stitched right around your plant mat. So you'll set that on there, and we include this vinyl here so that when you put your mat on there, it's waterproof. And if you get a little bit of water on it, no worries, just wipe it off, you're good to go. So those are your projects for this month. Let me show you what you're gonna get in your kit. Now, like I said, you're going to have this swirl, these different swirl hangers included in your kit so that you can hang up your mini wall quilt. You'll get some silver leather for the shovel, this really fun pebbled leather for the watering can. We have some flocked vinyl. So this is like, it's vinyl, and right now it has plastic on it, so you can't see it, but it's nice and fuzzy, and which is perfect for the plants and the bushes in your wall hanging. You get some clear vinyl to go on your plant mat. We have a nice big piece of green felt, and you might not need to use this whole thing, so you could make another one with that. We want to make sure that you get some good batting for this wall hanging, so we're including 2 pieces of Kimberbell project batting. And then we have the most adorable, beautiful summery fabrics to go on your wall hanging and your plant mat. So we have this scalloped little red fabric for one of the pots, and this dusty pink for one of the other pots. We have our perforated green stripe there for your trees, and this crimp from Dear Stella that's perfect for the dirt that's on your wall hanging and the ground. We have this really pastel kind of fun floral for the ground as well. And I love this fabric here. This has kind of been, this was our inspiration for all the colors. You can see the peach and the yellows and the greens and the pinks all right here in this fabric from Art Gallery. And we use that on both the mini quilt and the plant mat. And then we have 2 pieces of this blue solid for the sky, for the back of it. I want to show you something also on this mini quilt. You're going to get this quilting in your files as well, and that comes with it, and it will just fit perfectly in this wall hanging. And we need to bind it, right? And so we've got a nice big piece of this peachy corally fabric. You can see it has those little leaf patterns all throughout the fabric. This is for your binding as well as the edge of the plant mat. So you are getting a lot this month. I hope that you're really excited to make this mini wall hanging and the plant mat, and I'm excited to see what you're gonna do with it. Oh, I wanted to tell you that the samples that I'm showing you here today are made in an 8x12 hoop, but we have these exact same projects that you can make in a 5x7 hoop. So you'll get both of those files. So if you have a 5x7 hoop only, you can still make these. They'll just be a little bit smaller, not quite so big. So 2 sizes for these projects. Now let's get going on our giveaway. I'm excited to show you what we have today. I always love to share and give away some stabilizer. So today we have a wash away sticky back stabilizer that you'll get, as well as these darling little charms, a hoop with a cute design in it, a sewing machine, and a little pair of scissors. These are little zipper charms that you'll get. And because I love this colorway, but maybe you want to make some more of these mini wall hangings and plant mats, I have a fabric bundle for you, and you could make these all in this new colorway, a little bit darker. Maybe you want to put it up in the fall, and so you get this fabric bundle, the stabilizer, and these fun zipper charms for your prize. Now, how do you enter this giveaway? Well, I want to know, since we're talking about plants, let me know what your favorite plant is, and put that in the comments. You can be specific about a certain type of plant, or you could just say, I love trees, or I love flowers. Let me know in the comments what your favorite plant is, and we will announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy some well-deserved me time.